Mama Akwaba, wa friend me, Adjoa searching Mesrel. Now was subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
I took my data from an independent source. This is a fucking guy that's going to be a finance minister. You people are not serious in this country. Mr. Vance, I'm sorry. I know you are in Ghana, but trust me, this country is not a serious country.
I know myself.
As a finance minister incoming, Collins, some of these things are supposed to be on your fingertips. Yeah? Adam. Just listen to him. Right away, you know he's prepared for the terrain he's coming into. After forcing after 8 years of making noise, misleading people. Where did you get your information from? Ato Forsen is now telling us he got it from an independent source. The stupid thing. Very, very foolish. This is Ato Forsen. A man who couldn't even handle the portfolio of deputy finance minister. He couldn't. He went to buy toolbox and presented them as ambulances and paid. And this is the same person, Ghanaians who claim, say, we want better, we want better, we want better. You go for Kolikowi as your finance minister, who does not even fucking know the terrain he's in. He doesn't know. He's taking data from independent sources and imposing it on Ghanaians like that is the actual fact. Hey, I born you. I born papa. Especially NPP for a dear before tene fian kotuaba. Ya born. Nenyame be me yetua. Mr. Sa dear way dear. God must make both NDC and NPP, Ghanaians in general, pay for this stupidity. Because if we don't pay for it, we will do the same mistakes again. Ghanaians eat and they forget. Somebody was given the portfolio for deputy finance minister. He couldn't handle it. He rather brought debt onto the country. Allah. Today, that person is now being presented as the finance minister. No problem. Tell us what you are going to do as a finance minister to correct these things. No. And then you know, the same at who will be? They have a 24-hour economy. Okay, so what was his explanation for 24-hour? The government of Mahama is going to implement a 24-hour economy. There we hear one job, 3 people, 3 shifts. Okay, I have to say, when I obey your finance minister, sir, you know, what is your preparation towards making that implementation of 24-hour economy? What is he saying? I have to say, it is an economy where the real sector of the economy doesn't sleep. We are not talking about chop bars and pharmacy shops. You see how foolish he is? We have pharmacy shops that are operating 24 hours. You know why? Because of where they are. Bang hospitals, clinics. And people get rushed in anytime. So those strategic pharmacies are open so that say you can say kote drobi bra when your pharmacy are heading akoto, and he says it doesn't include pharmacies. It doesn't include chop bars, but Philosopher Sukwachi said eating fufu at 2 a.m. It was part of the explanation of the 24-hour economy. Hey, Ghana for Mediboni. He said chop bars will open, Wache will open. He said chop bars will open. That is why I'm telling you, this NDC government, especially with the type of appointees Mahama is making, is only coming to tell you we are going back to 2013, 2017 Pro Max. Because Ato Forsen as a deputy finance minister, he couldn't deliver. He's not the minister. Dominic Aini, who made sure so much judgment debt was put onto Ghana, is now, first he was the deputy, he's now going to be the minister for justice. I have it there say. Mr. Names in the bar, I say. Now, Upo be manako handle energy. I'm telling you, this country is a joke. So, I'm sorry, but you know, we all love Ghana, but the people in the country, Ghana, the mentality, no, I'm sorry.
Let's move.
Yeah. I generally do with 3 minutes apakakra. I didn't hear. John Jinapop meters, prepaid meters, krokotobai. I buy your money car. We are paying for his mistake as energy deputy minister. John Jinapo. The Jinapo NDC guy. And today he is going to be the minister for energy. Ghanaians are not serious. But everyone being somewhere because you're now you're too late. Yeah, that's when there's no turning back. There's nothing you could do but just stick yourself there. Because it doesn't make sense. You pick a finance minister who was a deputy and performed abysmally, cost the nation 2.3 million euros. Okay. Now you go to the energy sector, and a deputy energy minister who supervised over Dumso did charade, like charade, like Ukikan Tro, Edi Sika. Emma to the point say, oh no. Theo, this is what I say. The reason why I keep telling you people, say you people are not serious. Ebra na John Jinapoye deputy energy minister no. Na ECG for ye to me point to your workers then ka. So they now have to change ECG and put their workers on government payroll. When ECG is supposed to be self-sufficient and do what? Provide its own, like taking care of itself. From 2017, NPP Baso, up to the end, yeah, can say, ECG has managed to run positive returns. It has been able to pay its officers without the government intervention. It has paid its workers without government intervention. When Jinapo was there, ECG couldn't pay their debt. Charlie, as some now here can be no more fun to say now NPP for the comedy and NDC. It's not like that too. It is about the development of Ghana. It is about the development of Ghana. They made all this noise, made us believe, say, they are the answers to all the problems we are facing. They are not even there, and it's making an excuse. Me pacho last week, Okachre said Ghana has only 5 hours of energy. And it's been almost a week and a half. And everywhere there's light. Me when I'm lighting the moon there. Me so feel light every month. But you know what is it?
Said it on Tuesday.
Okay. Do you know why I get angry? See, I do know why I get angry. That's why sometimes I insult. The foolish NDC party knows very well this guy lied because after more than a week, the light has still on. And this foolish boy told you that the Kufu family is wicked and didn't buy gas. So 5 hours pay is what we have. And you are still following him. Only panu wa shawe nim echa wontro blame. Echa wontro. And you are there defending it. And you are the one that say ne dum so bad John Jinapo fi we be ma or plant. Or it's called the better plant me wa. Aban be tuaka. Wo kwa sia na wo take zongo junction a wo sabe wo electricity bill cry the amount na wutua no. Wo be de dum som na John Jinapo the lighting. People don't think. This country don't think. And that is why. Kojinapo. And I'm saying my catch me ko baby to be person me born it. All right. Another thing this Jinapo guy said.